El Nino has opened so many windows on the weather for people to look through. Time and time again we find that it has had an unanticipated effect on nature. ABC's Jane Clayson tonight on some other examples.
In California this winter, people are cutting back. Trees are coming down as fast as the rain. Property owners are worried that loosened roots might mean crushed roofs.
Probably 50 to 60% of our calls are in relation to El Nino and the concerns over the trees.
Almond growers are worried about their trees too. The groves are swamped, but the bigger problem is the bees. They won't fly through all the rain, and there's no pollinating without them.
So if the bees don't fly and the pollen's not moved, then basically we lose out and you won't get any nuts on those bloom.
Yields may be down as much as 20%. In the Northeast, many birds didn't fly their normal routes either.
Thrushes and mourning doves and robins and blackbirds and even hummingbirds wintered much further north than they normally do.
The mild winter in Wisconsin means the deer population will grow by nearly half. And in Yellowstone National Park, buffalo have plenty to eat. Last year, hunters shot more than 1,000 bison when they wandered outside the park in search of food. This winter, only 11 have been killed. But El Nino has the potential for greater damage to the environment, even after it has stopped affecting the weather. In Southern California, El Nino has created a heavier crop of grass and vegetation this year, which brings with it another problem when things dry out: fuel for an intense fire season. Deserts of the Southwest are already ablaze with wildflowers that will cover the region with the most vibrant show in more than a half-century. While on a beach in Oregon, El Nino uncovered 2,000-year-old tree stumps. There have been many things to marvel at in El Nino's wake, some of them beautiful. Jane Clayson, ABC News, Los Angeles.